I have a few very important questions for you. And the first one would be, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you think technology is going to impact your life in the next 10 years? And there's a lot of different ways that you can answer that question, right? And so question number 2 is, how well do you understand blockchain technology? And you may have heard in the news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and blockchain, and these have been all the rage and all the hype in the news over the last year or so. And so how well do you understand blockchain technology? Question number 3, how well prepared are you for the changes that are coming with this technology, and how well positioned are you to take advantage of those? See, my name is Justin, and there is a major problem that's about to happen right now. See, anytime that there's a technological shift, there's always people that advance, and there's always people that get left behind. Now, a lot of times people get left behind because they don't understand the vocabulary of what's going on with the technology, or it's maybe a little too confusing or a little advanced. And anytime somebody gets left behind, it limits their opportunity. And so what I'm aiming to solve with this video series is I want to help you answer how you can take advantage of these trends and how you can better understand it and move with the trends and not be left behind. So what I've created is a 5-part free video series explaining the what, why, and how of blockchain from the perspective of a consumer, from the perspective of an investor, and from the perspective of a business owner. And so all 3 perspectives are covered in this video series. It's very simple language, it's easy to understand, and I hope to help you on your journey into the future and taking advantage of the technological shifts that are coming your way. Thanks for watching. Click the link below and enter your email address, and you'll get 5 free videos to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching.